Roy.
That is right, Keegan. Dr. Dobbs says that he is alarmed at the climbing COVID-19 numbers in Mississippi, especially since a big part of the spike is the fact that the people are not social distancing and people are also not wearing masks. Those decisions are leading to more cases and more deaths from the virus.
We're going to see ongoing cases, and I'm really fearful.
State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs painting a sobering picture about coronavirus in Mississippi on the day with the highest single number of cases since the pandemic began. 611 cases and 11 additional deaths. In the 5 months since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in Mississippi, there have been nearly 23,000 cases, and the death toll continues to climb toward 1,000.
Going into the fall, that it's going to be an absolute disaster. Very, very concerned. There are no indicators of anything that's going to let up on this for us.
Mississippi is one of 17 states that has seen increases in those hospitalized by the virus. This is happening during the summer months when health leaders thought we'd see cases dropping.
We're just exposing ourselves, constantly. So it's going to run rapid because we're constantly doing everyday things and not taking precautions.
Dr. Dobbs says large gatherings and parties are still happening in violation of the law. He's even changed his own habits.
I've pretty much quit going to restaurants because it depresses me to go in and see employees not wearing masks or people in there not separating.
Nadia says she isn't buying the impact of coronavirus. She calls it a bunch of bull and feels like it'll go away like Ebola in the past. But if things are getting worse, she lays blame at the feet of Governor Tate Reeves.
Well, I blame the governor. You should have never opened the state back up. If the numbers are going to go high, you should have closed the state. You should have just left it closed.
Dobbs says we can work and play and limit our risk. It's happening in other countries, but it all depends on our actions because this is not over.
There's no indication that we're going to get off the hook on this. And so one of the things that we're preparing for is for the healthcare system to be absolutely overwhelmed.
Now, Dr. Dobbs is sounding the alarm with good reason, especially with a big 4th of July holiday right around the corner. It is a good time to remind people to follow the guidelines as you plan those celebrations because coronavirus hasn't gone anywhere. Reporting from home tonight, Troy Johnson, 16 WAPT News at 10.